All right, welcome back, traders. John Caruso here. Today's June 9th, Thursday. Taking a quick look in on the market. We do have the S&P 500 down about 80 basis points right now, under 4,100, trading at 40.90. We do have the 10-year yields pressing back above 3%. We've been bearish on yields and bullish on bonds in recent weeks. However, we've got to recognize right now that we are starting to see the top end of our band start to tick back up to 311 here today, which is telling me that the 10-year bond or 10-year yields might try to challenge that May high of 317 and potentially push beyond that depending on tomorrow's CPI numbers. So you have to recognize what's going on there. Taking a look at the gold market, hanging around 1850, been chopping in about a $20 range, 1840, 1860. We do think ultimately gold prices resolve higher, but will we have one more move to the downside that we've got to negotiate with here first? Very possible that happens. This morning, we did see jobless claims come in. Those ticked higher to 229,000. So we're going to keep an eye on those claims numbers going forward. We do think, obviously, the market's at full employment. There's a lot of rumors and there's a lot of talk about layoffs throughout the industry. So you got to keep an eye on those jobless claims numbers going forward. And as I mentioned before, it's going to be all about the CPI number tomorrow. CPI 8.3% is what the headline is expected to come in at. We're going to find out what that looks like tomorrow. Obviously, energy and food prices are heavyweights inside of the CPI index, and those are all pressing higher here today. RBOB gasoline up 2% right now. That takes its month-over-month gains to up 19%. There was actually a rumor that came out today that I believe somewhere in the neighborhood of 670,000 tons of European gasoline is hitting the shores of the United States here today. So keep an eye on that. Look at, if you are long that market, look at potentially raising stops, protecting some profit, because I think over the course of the next few weeks, anything can happen. I do think we are not quite overbought yet either, believe that or not. There could still be some more upside in gasoline here over the near term. We're just saying be careful, because any piece of news that comes out regarding an increase in supply could certainly push that market back to the downside in a bull market correction. So keep that in mind. Best of luck to you out there. We'll catch you back here tomorrow after the CPI number. Talk to you then.